Hi all, welcome to Geneso IT Trainings. My name is Sagar. In this video, we'll look at one of the most important useful command in Linux, which is locate. Before I do that, I would request everybody to subscribe my channel. In this video, let us understand the locate command. A locate command is almost similar to a find command. The locate command itself is a self-explanatory. You should be able to understand you're trying to locate something. So what is that we are trying to locate here? We are trying to locate a specific file or a directory. Similarly, the find command, locate is much more faster than the find command. Whenever it comes to the find command, it will search in the entire Linux file system when it comes to the find command. Whereas when it comes to locate command, at the time of installation of this locate command, it is going to install a database and all the files and directories will be updated inside that database. So searching with the help of locate command is much more faster compared to find command. So let us look into practically how we will be able to identify certain files with the help of a locate command. So if you can really look into something like this, locate and the file name. So it is trying to locate the file name and where exactly it is located, what is the path it is located, and it is going to be displayed as an output. So let us try searching for a specific file name or a directory name here. So let us look into it. So let me open this my Linux server and I'll simply type the locate command and the file name, and the file name, let me give file1. I'm trying to give file1. Let me check if it is working or not. See, look at this. Usually in Linux operating system, this locate command will not be found. So in order to make it available, we have to ensure that we are going to install this package called as mlocate. So what I'll do is I'll simply copy this command and I'll paste it here. Shift insert will be pasted with respect to this command. It is nothing but sudo become a super user and use the apt command, which will help us to install the packages. Apt install mlocate. So we will be able to install the locate package. So let me press enter. So now it is actually installing it. So look at this, initializing mlocate database. So what it is doing is it is going to create a database and entire files will be available inside that database. Now what I'll do is I'll try to use this command locate file1 and press enter. See, look at this. This locate file1, this file1 is available in all these directories, or these are the paths where we will be able to identify the file1 simply with the help of a simple command locate and file1. So it has searched, it is available in etc skel, it is available in the home, it is available in home Sagar directory, and it is available in home Ubuntu directory. So these are all the places where we have the file1 available. So let me use one more locate dir 300 and enter. And it is not able to identify where exactly this directory 300 is available. So probably this directory 300 might not be available, or the database might not be updated properly of the locate command. So what exactly do I mean by database is not updated when it comes to locate command? Let's look at ls here. So we have only directory 1 available here. So what I will do here, what I'll do is if I search for the locate dir1, and it is going to display wherever the directory 1 is available, it is going to display that particular directory. But now what I'll do is I'll create a new directory mkdir directory 1000. I'm creating a new directory 1000. Now let's look into this ls. I have this directory 1000 available in this directory inside this home path of Ubuntu. So what I'll do is I'll try to locate it now. Locate dir 1000. See, look at this. I'm not able to get any result here. It says that directory 1000 is not available. Why is this happening? Whenever you create certain files, what we have to do is we have to update the database of this locate command. So then this directory 1000 will be available. So how do we update it? Simply use the command sudo and update db. Update db so that all new files that we will be creating will get updated inside the database, and we will be able to locate this directory 1000 after that. So simply press enter. Now it would have updated the database of the locate command, and what I'll do is I'll use the same command locate directory 1000. Let's press enter here. See, look at this. Now we are able to identify this directory 1000 which is available inside /home ubuntu and directory 1000 which I have just created it. So whenever you create certain files, if you want them to be updated inside the locate database, please use this command called as sudo space update db, and these all new files that are created will be updated inside the database. Then we will be able to locate them. Let us look into the slide. So we can definitely make use of. So that is what this update db command is, and please make sure you use sudo command or you become a super user to identify it. Now what we will do is we'll try to locate a pattern of the files, and which is nothing but locate space asterisk .html. So this is going to search for all .html files irrespective of whatever name it could be. So star represents it could be any character, any word it could be. So irrespective of any character or word, it should end with .html. So let us look into it. Locate, in the double quotes, I'll use star.html and press enter. So look at this. These are all HTML files that are available inside this Linux server. And what if I would like to know how many files are available? So what I'll do is I'll use this command locate -c, which will display the count of .html files, and it will be shown on the screen. So let us see, locate -c and asterisk .html and press enter. See, look at this. We have somewhere around 106 files of .html inside this Linux server. So this is how we will be able to use this particular command called as locate, which is almost similar to a find command, and which you will be able to identify where exactly you're trying to locate a particular file or a directory inside the Linux server. So this is a simple understanding of a locate command. I hope I made it very clear for you, and I'm really thankful for watching this video. Thank you so much, and I would request everybody to subscribe my channel. Thank you.